So the BJP for the moment trying to dismiss of Rahul Gandhi's announcement as the campaign committee chief, saying they may choose whoever they want. But Javed, Priyanka Gandhi, as many speculated, perhaps she would come forward. The party, of course, has said her role remains confined to Amethi and Raebareli. Do you see a bigger role for Priyanka Gandhi in these elections?
If by a bigger role, Gaurav, you mean that she will contest, then it's a big no. She will not contest. She may play a lot more proactive role now. She'll be actively advising, apart from campaigning and holding forth in Amethi and Raebareli. She will take on a larger role as far as larger supporting role is concerned. But let's be very clear, she will not do anything which even remotely undermine or upstages her brother. This is a decision that all three members of the family have taken, that Rahul will be the leader, and she is going to do everything she possibly can to ensure that her brother succeeds.
And a clever political move here, Javed. The Congress party has said Rahul Gandhi remains the face of the party. He heads the campaign committee, but clearly he's not being projected as the prime ministerial candidate, not falling into what many see as BJP's trap, Javed.
Certainly, it's a sensible move. I mean, if you ask me, if I were one to take a decision, I would never have allowed this clamor to grow, because it doesn't make sense. I tend to agree with the views expressed by those who feel that this is not the right time, this is not the congenial atmosphere. Politically, it doesn't suit them, and why make a departure from normal? In fact, the Congress party is going in clearly as the underdog in this 2014 elections. The atmosphere is extremely hostile to them, and therefore, why pitchfork Rahul Gandhi in a situation where the odds are heavily stacked against him?
Okay, and the Congress party campaign has already started with Rahul Gandhi's face being projected in the war on corruption, and that remains a Congress plank too, Javed?
Well, that remains a Congress plank, and Rahul Gandhi will be the pivot around which the Congress party campaign will revolve. But he will certainly not be projected as their prime ministerial candidate. They will try and ensure that Rahul Gandhi is this knight in shining armor. He's the one who's been clamoring against corruption. As all parties, every party has a right to project, whether people stomach that or not, has a right to go to the polls with what it thinks is their best bet. Congress party, in its wisdom, has decided that Mr. Rahul Gandhi will be its face for the future. They have not declared him as the prime ministerial candidate, but it is under his leadership that they will face the 2014 general elections.
Javed, stay on with me. Political editor Kartikeya Sharma back with the latest. Kartikeya, you've been speaking to your sources in the Congress party. They're thinking in projecting just Rahul Gandhi and not the Trinity. What's the roadmap for the 2014 elections?
You see, what happened inside was very unprecedented. After 5 members in the Congress Working Committee openly said that Rahul Gandhi should be announced as the Prime Minister candidate, we had been told by our sources that Sonia Gandhi got up and she said this is not in a tradition of our party that we announce a Prime Ministerial candidate before the elections. So I request the members not to raise this issue, but I'm sure Rahul Gandhi is willing to take every responsibility. On that, Rahul Gandhi in the Congress Working Committee meeting said that yes, I am willing to take any responsibility which party bestows on me, but he said in the meeting that he is ready to take any responsibility once the elections are done with. So making it very clear that he obviously, without saying that he is the Prime Minister candidate, they summed it up. Then there is only going to be one resolution. There will be no 3 or 4 resolutions, which is generally with the tradition that you have one economic resolution or political resolution. And that one resolution will make it clear as to how Congress party is going to fight elections under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. And so tomorrow you will see the whole chorus that people will say how Rahul Gandhi will be projected, how Rahul Gandhi's dream of 9 anti-corruption legislation will be made a reality. And you can see as we speak now at 7:30, Prime Minister is holding the Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs to convene the Parliament on 10th February for 10 days so that the 9 anti-corruption legislations are through. So this was the mood in the working committee. But one thing is sure, that the projection of Rahul Gandhi tomorrow will be an affair to be seen, because all preparations have been made on those lines.